Hi folks, now I want to show you in this video very quickly, because I'm going through YouTube as I'm shooting this, and I want to show you another reason why I've chosen YouTube as my prime marketing channel. Now this is in my analytics section on YouTube, and you can see here you have various bits, you have bars, whatever you want to call them, tabs across the top here. But I wanted to find out roughly how my initial videos were doing. Obviously it's going to be, as you go through, you'll find out what you need to do and how you need to improve and all the rest of it, which is, that's good. I'm happy to learn. But initially what I wanted to do was find out how my videos were being looked for and how they were being found, just the initial statistics, the initial watch time. And as you can see here, traffic source types, YouTube search, it's 65.6%, so I guess that's quite good, that's quite high. Externally means it's coming from 27%, suggested videos is 2.5%, and browse features is 1.1. Now when you move across here, let's go downwards, it might be easier. The traffic source, this is external, so this shows you where the traffic is coming from. Now the top bit here is Google search, and obviously if you have if you've got a video with a thumbnail attached to it, as I'm learning, and then that video is put into a blog, Google, as long as your video is keyword researched, then you'll get found in search engines. So again, there is good content, there's good percentage at 83.3% is pretty good as far as I'm concerned. You've got 0.9%, so just under 1 from the wealthy affiliate platform I use for my hosting and blogging and my business education. Bing is 0.5, but it shows it's working. LinkedIn is just under that. And so when we move down or move across, you'll see the impressions here. Now the impressions are 8.6 thousand. Now I think that's quite good. I don't fully understand it properly yet, but it looks a lot better than what it did a day or so ago, which wasn't like that. Now this part here looks interesting. A 10.2 click-through rate. Now if you're a direct marketer, you'll know that a click-through rate of 1 to 1.5% is usually quite good. So 10.2% click-through rate, I've got to say I'm pretty much pleased with that. That's really, really useful. Views and impressions is 882, and the watch time is 1,000 watch time minutes, so that's good. It's on its way to 4,000, and when it gets to 4,000 in a month, it helps me towards the monetization process. Now this is the traffic source from YouTube searches, and it shows you where you are getting what videos are being watch time in the last 28 days. So that's all right. All this, of course, will get added up and will add to the to what happens with my journey here on YouTube. But I just wanted to show you that that aspect of analytics, to show you really one of the reasons why I chose to do what I'm doing with YouTube, and it really works out quite well. One of the reasons YouTube is called YouTube is because of the name. It's YouTube. So there we have it. Anyway, hope that video has been of use, and if you want to find out some more about the reviews I will be doing on WordPress and other business opportunities and WordPress plugins, that type of thing, or how-to videos or how-to courses, then just click on the link beneath this, which will take you to my blog, in fact, and then you can subscribe to get some more information and read a little bit more about my journey and how it can best help you. Anyway, that's video that helps you to do it, and yeah, thanks for watching.